Open up that window. Nah, better not let down my window. Woo. Rolling up that antidote. Loud nigga, that's all I smoke. I smoke mid on the weekend, and then smoke loud and do it all again. Made 40 in a week, man. Yeah, and made 20, did it all again. Yeah, now why you niggas lying to? Boy, we blowing on that gas too. Smoking on the weekend. I pop a bottle, do it all again. Yeah, I said first floor where that's we at. Woo. Bad bitches make they ass clap. I told that bitch don't worry that. No 100 bands with all again. Yeah, I made 50 on the first week. Hey. Then I cop the dirt cheap. Work. Niggas talking like they in the game. Whoa, what you niggas talk, you really lame. Yeah, I say, wow. What? Whipping that go and I'm freaking that go and that so far as with this 458, it just got me just blasting the doors and just blasting it. Yeah, bad bitches rhyming, she twerking, she liking the swing, and I'm liking her too, and that ass is so fat, so let's do what it do. Whoa, open up that window. They can't do it now you know. You niggas can't do it like me.